Hey, Joe at Fabspeed Motorsports. Another new awesome product we designed for Porsche Boxster Cayman owners, and in particular the Porsche 981 2013 to 2016 cars. Fabspeed has been your air-cooled and water-cooled Porsche experts for over 25 years. We've supported professional IMSA race teams, Porsche Owners Club, PCA racers, and what people have come to us and told us that the coil packs on the cars are getting obliterated by heat. And I have a Boxster 987.2, and we've noticed over all the years, including on the big GT4 and the Spider, the 3/8, there's no heat protection to protect the coil packs from radiant heat. So at Fabspeed, we designed a heat shield that we're offering to our pro and amateur racers to protect your coil packs from damage. Guys are doing driver's ed. Your coil packs, you have to replace them. This is what fires your spark plugs. It's a royal pain in the ass. So we designed it here in CAD, cut it out on our water jet. Once again, Fabspeed, thinking ahead of the curve. For all you guys out there, your racers, innovation, not imitation. So anyway, real simple. You have a left and right. They're labeled in English and German. And then what you need is you need a 5mm hex ratchet. And then I believe this is a 4, okay? And or you can use a T-drive. We give you all the hardware, and now we're going to do an install in the car. It's designed for aftermarket headers, race headers, and or catted headers. The factory headers have a lot of heat shielding, but they're usually beat in terms of horsepower and torque. So now I would take this unit, and we're going to show you what we're doing over here, and it'll show you the problem. So if you come under the car and you look, here's your factory cylinder head on a 981. There are your coil packs. Okay, 1, 2, 3. They fire spark plug. There's no heat shielding here. In fact, there's less heat shielding on the previous generation 987.1 and 987.2 cars. So we designed this to use the factory bolt holes up top, and then this unit goes on here like so. Bolts in place, precision. And now any radiant heat and other heat is going to come up and go above the coil packs and be reflected, and you've got a bulletproof situation to save your Porsche from having problems on the street and or the racetrack with aftermarket headers from Fabspeed. Same thing on the opposite side, another precision piece, manufactured and designed in-house from Fabspeed. And now we're going to do an installation for you as well. I'm going to show you personally how to install the right side heat shield, Hitzschild, links, left, German for left. Anyway, you can see we're ready to bolt on there. Slide this into position. I'm going to do this by hand and try to expedite it for you. Put the screw in there. Doing it by hand. Give me another one. All precision manufactured right here at Fabspeed, no outsourcing. Here, give me the other 2 small screws. And then up here, using the factory Porsche threaded bosses that Porsche put up there. And you know what's interesting? We have a 997.2 twin turbo. We've had GT3s here at Fabspeed. Porsche has these holes in the blocks deliberately pre-engineered for lots of heat protection. So if you have a GT3, 07, 08, 991, or you have a 997.2 twin turbo, 991 twin turbo, the size of these blocks have all these holes and provisions. And Porsche includes special heat shielding to stop when you have a turbocharger here or a lot of radiant heat from roasting the coil pack. Here at Fabspeed, and I've been a Porsche Club member for over 35 plus years, and as I mentioned, we're air-cooled and water-cooled performance experts. How do you like the shirt? We actually see these trends and things and design and innovate products for the Porsche public worldwide. And this is value added, but now you're saving somebody's coil packs. So you can be a yuppie out there driving your car, driver's ed, and your car starts having a bad miss, or if that coil pack goes bad, and that one cylinder is not igniting the fuel. You'll wash down your cylinder walls, the piston will start scraping the walls, the oil gets diluted in your sump, dry sump, whatever, and now you've ruined your engine. So this was designed for racers, driver's ed, club racers, pro racers, and all I have to do now is tighten this up with a 5mm ratchet or 4mm ratchet respectively, and now all the heat is literally going to miss all your coil packs, which are right here, 1, 2, 3. And once again, innovation from Fabspeed Motorsports, your dedicated Porsche partner. We live, breathe, and love Porsches, and I've been a club member for over 35 plus years. Innovation, not imitation. That's what you get when you go with Fabspeed. Please visit us online at www.fabspeed.com and watch these roll out for other 987.1s, 987.2s. And as I mentioned, my 987.2 had more heat protection than this car did. So Porsche somehow along the line said, the bean counter's like, why are we, let's save money, but it's actually backfired, and we're actually correcting it for all you guys. Thank you.